channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So today I'm here and I'll be doing a very easy smoky eye look. Yes, so I have literally looked through around 3 to 4 videos on YouTube, and I have made an amalgamation of what would be the easiest way to create a smoky eye look. So here's the complete look, guys. I will not be recommending y'all any particular products. So I have used very least amount of products in this particular tutorial, and you can definitely work with what all you already have. And I would also like to tell you all one thing, guys. Never hesitate to experiment on yourself. You can play around with different eyeshadow shades and blushes, and you can come up with any eye look or this eye look. And yes, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. As y'all can see, I'm done with the base. So I've applied the base really well, and I've done my eyebrows. Now let's start the smoky eye. Okay, so I need 3 things for the smoky eye. First is a black kajal. So you can use any kajal. So this is normal pencil kajal, the Maybelline one. You can also use gel kajal if you have. So basically we need a black or a dark colored cream base. So I'll take this kajal. Next is a black eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my Savannah colors black eyeshadow, which you can see here. So this is the Savannah color. So I'm not going to recommend you any particular kind of product. You can use any black eyeshadow which you have. So yes, so these are the 2 things. Plus we need a color to cut the smoky eye. So for that I'm going to use this beautiful maroon eyeshadow over here, guys. It's a beautiful shade. So let's start with the makeup. Okay, so I hope you all can see my eye really nicely. I've zoomed it a bit. So first we will take the any, and this is also optional, you can use a dark brown or a coffee color eyeshadow, any eyeshadow which you have, which will go in contrast with the black. You can use that. So I'm going to use this very pretty, it looks red in the camera but it's actually maroonish. So I'm going to use this, and this is pretty pigmented, guys. So I'm going to use a very light hand. Okay, so I'll take a brush and I'll take some eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it all over the crease. I'm sorry, I'm taking help of a mirror. Can you see how pigmented is that? As you all can see, I've applied it all over the crease. So if you want a very perfect smoky eye look, then I would recommend you all to use a tape. You can stick a tape over here, but I'm okay with, I don't like really sharp edges, so I think it should be fine. The next thing is to apply the kajal or the gel kajal if you have. So I'm going to literally rub the whole kajal all over the lid. So as you all can see, I've applied the kajal really well all over the lid. So now we are going to cover this kajal with the help of a black eyeshadow. So this color is what I'm going to use. So we are going to take the same eyeshadow brush, literally take some product, dab the excess product and pat it over the kajal. Now I'm going to use the same brush and slowly, really nicely blend the eyeshadow, the black eyeshadow with the maroonish eyeshadow. I'm going to take the same eyeshadow and really light-handedly line it below the waterline. So now we will take a bud and we'll take the eyeshadow the brighter eyeshadow, the same shade. Take a little bit on the bud like this, and again blend it really nicely on the black eyeshadow. Now we are going to take the same brush and take literally 2 to 3 minutes for blending, guys. Now take the bud, take more of this beautiful bright color and slightly, with very light handed, line it over the black eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take the eyeliner. So I'm using my sugar eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner which you have, and very beautifully line it. The eyeliner is done. I'm going to take the kajal and apply it on the waterline. And the last step is mascara. It's a very important step. So use a mascara. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild mascara and give your lashes a very nice shape. Your eyes will look really great if you have a falsies, but since I don't have falsies right now, I'll basically make my real lashes look great. So this is how the eye has turned out, guys. Take a close look. Really nice. I love look at the blend, guys. It's so beautiful. I'll just be back after doing the smoky eye of this look, and yes, so this is the complete look, guys. Take a look. I hope you like this look, and if you like it, please like it. Please share it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section of what should I do next. Till then, take care. Bye.